Hello everyone, my name is Charles. I'm from Eve Technology. Thank you for Galaxy the invitation and give us a chance to show our brands and our products here. So what we do is we are a smart home products and service company. What we have is something like the smart door locks, smart sensors, smart curtains, smart blinds, and also like smart toilets and hot tap. All these kind of things make everything into smart. And let's take a look at the short video here. This is something that is not from our brand, but it's going to be from our brand.
Introducing Ring Always Home Camera. Yeah, it's a camera that flies. What? We thought, what if we made a camera that can see every angle of your home without having a camera in every room? And make it smart enough so that you can teach it where to go.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Cool.
So, at the push of a button, it wakes up and goes here, there, or wherever you choose. No way. Frankly, I went orange. And the Always Home Cam works seamlessly with Ring alarms.
Yeah, that's not good.
Actually, it's great because you can watch live from anything.
Good for me, guys.
And when you're home, Always Home Cam is docked and the camera is hidden, designed with your privacy in mind. Introducing Always Home Cam. Only from Ring.
Yeah, so this is something that we do, consumer products. And next one here. We have our own app that's at the front, which can reach our customers, and also we have the back platform, which can show like how many devices are still online or whatever device is connected from each customers. And also we provide like a cloud storage service and the security service for our customers as well. The next one is our smart door lock. This is our most popular product this year. It's just this lock right here. As you can see, there are 5 ways to unlock this door lock. Come with the fingerprint unlock, password unlock, physical key unlock, key card unlock, and also the phone app unlock. And the good thing is our smart door lock, that's the second generation door lock in the market. So far, all the door locks in the market, they are just keep connecting to the network all the time. It's wasting like 96% of the battery, which is like useless. It just doesn't mean anything. Doesn't solve any problem. We probably just the only thing we can do is unlock it from our phone all the time. But when people is not standing in front of the door, what's the point we unlock the lock, right? So this is our second generation one. Second generation means it's a passive connection, so whenever it needs to connect to the network, it does. When somebody here, they press the doorbell, and then it starts connecting to the network. In this way, it's not only saving like 96% of the energy, but also it's more secure. When somebody try to hack into the network, they cannot find the device, only if they press the doorbell. But when they press the doorbell, we know someone is there. And we can use the Galaxy camera to see who is there. So this is our second generation door lock. We also have something different for like different customers' requirements, like this one here, which is the handlebars. This is something which also have the camera right here. Right now is just for taking pictures or it detects people movement, and then you will receive notification on your phone. But later on, we will have a 3D face detection function adding into the camera. And the third lock here is the big lock. This is something that when we are staying at home, like our kids or wife staying at home, we don't want them just open the door see who is there, because sometimes it may be dangerous, right? So what we have right here is we have a LCD here. who is waiting to you right here. So this lock is also, they all have the same lock functions, and they have, this lock have like 3 layers lock function. Covers the first one, the standard one, and also like a 3-layer lock here, and also manual lock and auto. This is the smart lock we have for our lock families, and we also have more stuff, but if you guys interested in that, you can just check our website, or you can check it from the back, and we will have to show you more. This is the door lock we have. And the next one is the smart curtain motor. We also do the smart curtain, like the rolling ones or the vertical open ones. All these curtains are controlled from the motor right here, something like this. You can control it by voice. You can just control it from your phone, or like for some old people, they prefer to control it by remote. We can do that too. And you can also set up the time, like every morning, 8 o'clock, just wake up your kids, wish the motor, wish the curtain here. So you don't need to yell at them and say, hey, wake up. No, just one click, that's it. And they know, oh, it's time to wake up. Yes, this is the curtain we have. And the next one is the smart bathroom. We also work with some really great brands for the smart toilets and smart tap, smart shower, and more things adding into our brands and working with us. For the smart toilets and the smart tap, if you guys have time and interested in that, you can check out our showroom. We have a showroom downstairs. It's at 207. Then you can check which the smart toilet over there. And all these smart toilet, what they can do, they can do like auto open and auto heating up all the time, and a lot more things you can discover from our downstairs showrooms. Okay, and what else? What else we can add into our smart home? Like we have cameras, outdoor cameras, indoor cameras, video doorbells, door locks, and smart curtain, and also the baby monitors or the EV chargers, floodlight cameras. All these kind of things can add into one project. I know all of you guys are professional in smart security cameras, right? But how do we make your trip worth more than that? We can just give more hints to our customers and show them more stuff. Maybe just tell them, hey, why don't we install the cameras? How about the door lock, doorbell, and smart curtain, smart toilets, all these kind of things. Maybe it just cost you like 10, 20 minutes to introduce the product, and you can make it couple more $100. That's something, make the trip worth more. Okay, and next year we will, you guys will see this. This is our new brand name. Next year you will see a lot of this advertisement online or offline. Goosh, it's called Goosh. And next year we will have new members like grass cutter, EV charger, and more and more things coming into our family. And then you will have a chance to introduce more products to your customers. This is what we do. Okay, and thank you very much. Thank you for the listening. Do you guys have any questions? Yes, go ahead.
What is the application on it? Is compatibility and other devices?
Yes, right.
Application like a Garmin Vision or DMSS?
Yes, like our application is called Go Home here. That's our icon here. And all these products like the door lock, doorbell, curtain, and a lot more things you can just fund it from our app. You can use just one app to control all devices. That's what we do. Yes.
But we can integrate all those equipment with other systems, no?
Exactly. Yes. We can integrate like our system for our products like the doorbell and curtain or the light switch or even toilet. Yes, we do.
No, it's compatible. It's compatible.
It's compatible with the other brands you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, for some of them we do, like some of them we can just interact with each other from what's it called, the iOS, the Apple HomeKey, like shortcut, sorry, yeah, the Apple shortcut, and you can just interact with different apps. Yes.
So it's compatible with Google or Amazon?
Yes, right. For some devices, they not. Like for our doorbell, like the doorbell we just showed right here. For this doorbell, you can see it from Google Assistant. And just say, hey Google, or somebody press the doorbell, you can see who is visiting you from the Google display scene. Yes, right.
For the for the
Yeah, go ahead.
customer service, if we need to buy, for example, the phone, we have to contact with your company?
Oh no, like you can buy this product for now. We do have the smart lock, showing which on Galaxy website, and or the retail showroom. You can buy it from there, and later on we will have more stuff just showing at Galaxy.
Oh.
Yes.
The smart door locks are without power, so it's manually can open.
Which one?
It's, the door locks.
The locks?
The power is gone, so that time we can.
Oh yes, definitely. That's a very good question. So after it's like maybe we go back and we go to travel for a month, and then when we come back, the power is off. What we can do is there's an emergency charging point at the bottom. And we just need to plug the emergency power, and then we can open that. Or if you want, we can just put a key in somewhere inside the garage or somewhere else, or even the car. You can still open that from with the physical key right here. Yes. Okay. And also this lock, the good thing is it's auto lock. So after like 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, it just lock automatically. So you don't have to worry about, oh, did I lock my door or not? You don't have to worry about that anymore. And every time you open or close, you will receive the notification on your phone. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Yes. Yes.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm
Okay. Sure.
How many people can manage the system?
It's like this one here is up to 300. It's up to 300 users they can just operate the door. Yes.
The one with the camera,
Yes,
the
right.
camera image, you cannot get on the cabinets.
The camera image, no, it's different. It's right.
It's not recorded.
Right. Yeah, that's a very good point. We will try to figure out how. Yes.
It's not only there.
It's not.
It's not only there.
For now, it's not. It's not done with yet. But later on, we will. But for the doorbell right here, that's on with. So it's it's easy to connect to Galaxy VR.
What's
Yes.
the warranty?
The warranty goes with 1 year for the door locks, and for the sensors, we do have like 18 months warranty for those. Yeah. Like for example, like the door sensors or window vibration sensor, or like the garage sensor, all these type of sensors, we do have 18 months warranty.
You don't do smoke and fire, carbon monoxide?
We are still applying for the license for our products. That's why I didn't introduce those things. But later on, probably by mid of next year, we will get the license. Yes.
So which alarm system do you provide?
Oh, the alarm system, we do have our own system, and we have the AI analysis center. Whenever the alarm is on, we will have like the AI call from our center. That's called the customer directly. Yes. So the products we have something like the window vibration sensor, door open close sensor, and the CO1, CO2 sensor, all these kind of things.
So that alarm system, I can attach it to any monitor station or just local?
Right now it's all connecting to
Application.
it's to a home base, something like this.
Oh.
Yeah, and the home base is you can operate it from the alarm system, right?
The keypad.
Yeah, the keypad, right? Yes.
Yeah, I mean, but just sending notification to my phone, that's it.
Yes.
No monitor station.
No, it does. It does. Yeah, only like some customer they active the service, and it's a choice for customers. They can just activate that from their phone directly, and they can cancel it at any time. So it's like no headache and no stress with that.
And those sensors wireless or?
Yeah, they are wireless. Yeah, they are using Zigbee connection. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So your alarm system, is that a panel, like a 7-inch, 10-inch panel, or?
No, it's like a smart because they all a smart alarm system. So all the devices can connect, can control from like an iPad or Samsung tab or whatever tab, or whatever like it's Android tab.
So it's gonna be basically one app that can control the floodlights, the smart lock, the baby monitor, the
Exactly.
see the cameras and everything?
Right, exactly, yes. So just like holding the iPad and you can control everything. And when you leave home, just the app's there, that's it, that's start shopping. Yes. Any other questions?
So the alarm system, everything connects to the home base, or is everything connected to the alarms panel and then?
Everything connected with the home base, and the home base is connecting with our AI center, and also in the home base is you can control, operate everything from the phone or the alarm system at home.
So what if I lost the internet?
You lost the internet?
Yeah, how is the alarm system working? So
Yes.
usually we have like a siren or something.
Right.
To scare the someone.
Right.
What is the idea here? Like,
Yes, that's a very good point. Sorry, I missed that point. The good thing is we have the home system, home base here, and the home base they are 4G operated. So there's going to be a 4G SIM card inside.
SIM card,
Yeah, like if the network and the power is good, just using the network and the Wi-Fi. And if there's no power shortage, or there's no network, it will just start using its own power and the network by itself, the 4G network.
So you have to pay monthly again.
Well, it's just pay per use.
Yeah.
It's pay per use. We do work with Bell and after people. So far, I only see people use for maybe 2-3 hours a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just charging like maybe 40-50 cents like that. Yeah.
That's the data, yeah.
Right. In case something happened with the power or the network. Yes.
Good.
Yes. Any other questions?
Are these two gonna be also connected to the same line?
Yeah, right. All this going to be connected with the same line. So during the summertime, you will just take a beer and sit at the back of our yard, and you just start working for us, make life easier. Yes. But now it's still in testing for like procedure. Probably going to take maybe 2 to 3 more months to finish everything. Yeah. Yes. So whenever you guys have a chance to talk with the customers, maybe you can just introduce the product here, and you can buy the product from Galaxy, and then just one trip, make more money. That's it. Make life easier. Yes.